guys, guess I'm going to be showing you a bike check today. So, start up top, which is kink midtown bars and your standard ODI grips. Sunday Freeze top load stem, got a brake line on there, I'm not sure what it is, but 2014 King Kong frame. I got an Alienation front rim, and I got a hub cleaner on there, and then I got a dual tire. And I got the Miracle cranks that I got, Odyssey PC pedals. I got a Shadow pivotal seat post and a Shadow, it's like a cheetah print. Shadow cheetah print seat. Then I got Mission 25T sprocket, standard BMX chain, Mission back rim that's really shitty, but then I got this dirt tire on there that I found. So yeah, that's my bike check. And I'll just go ahead and do a free test for you guys.